Hello guys, today we make cold coffee cream. You can find it more or less in all the coffee shop in Italy now because it's summer. It's very good, but it's very sweet. So the one that we make at home, we will do with less sugar. Here in this cup I put 150 milliliter of coffee. When you prepare a coffee at home, you keep 150 milliliter. Inside I add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon for me is enough. And here we have 250 milliliter of cream, the cream that you use it to make whipping cream. Because now we will whip the cream with our electric whisk, and after we will go ahead with the recipe. If you want to add more sugar because you like very sweet cream, it's better if you add the sugar when the coffee is hot. If not, you can do like me. And voila, our cream is ready. Now you can store in the fridge until you need it, until your guest will visit you. Now I will put in the fridge, and in 30 minutes I will go ahead with the recipe, because some people maybe that cannot eat the eggs, you can use this cream to make a kind of tiramisu. But I'll show you later. See you in 30 minutes. Spectacular, especially with the biscuit inside. It's really like kind of tiramisu. I'll show you how it's creamy, the one without the biscuit. You can see. Spectacular, especially if you like bitter coffee, because this cream is not so sweet. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some requests, let me know down in the comment. If you want the cold coffee cream without cream, only with coffee, water and sugar, let me know down in the comment. But I tell you already that is very, very sweet. So up to you. Let me know down in the comment. Bye bye.